Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. JP classes. I hope you all are fine. Today we all are going to discuss about needs of a checklist. We need a checklist to better organize assessments, to verify most important tasks easily, to reduce errors, to ensure consistency and completeness in working, and to move quickly, be more efficient, and to save time, we need a checklist. The present project. The present project aimed at studying the behavioral disorder, mental retardedness, and physical disabilities of children. Here, the researcher employed a tool that is checklist for data collection. A checklist enables the observer to not only whether a trait is present or not, but the observer has to judge a certain behavior has taken place and become easy to make a better conclusion. Here, the researcher used a checklist for data collection. It is a research based article to know the behavioral disorder, mental retardedness, and physical disabilities of children. The researcher used a tool that is checklist. Here, the researcher not only observe certain traits that are present or not in child, but also judge a certain behavior and find out the causes why this type of behavior has taken place that become easier to the researcher to make a better conclusion. Then objectives of the study. The objectives of the present study is to find out the causes of behavioral disorder of the children, to find out the causes of mental retardedness of the children, and to find out the causes of physical disabilities of child. Then the uses of checklist. As it is useful in our daily life, it is also useful in educational field in the following ways: to collect facts for educational surveys, to record behavior in observational studies, to use the educational appraisal studies of school buildings, property, plan, textbook, instructional procedure and outcomes, etc., to rate the personality, to know the interest of the subjects also. Cooder's interest inventories and Strong's interest blank are also checklists. In different purposes, we use checklist in different way. We use checklist for educational survey, to collect facts for educational survey, to record the behavior in observational studies, and also use to rate the personality of the individual. And if we want to know the interest of the individual, we use Cooder's interest inventory and Strong's interest blank checklists. Then steps for construction of checklist. Use proper format, appropriate font size, well organized, neat in appearance, and take knowledge of all aspects before preparing a checklist. List of the items are formulated on the basis of judgment of experts, and each item is evaluated with respect to the number of favorable and unfavorable responses. Categorize the checklist. The type of checklist to be used in particular assessment or evaluation. Avoid making errors, no grammatical mistakes, no point repeat and skipped. Then focus on quality, not length of the checklist. If we want to prepare a checklist, following steps are keep in mind. Checklist should focus on quality, not length. There is no grammatical mistakes and no point repeated and skipped. Should be appropriate font size, well organized, neat in appearance. For different purpose, different checklists are used. Express each item in clear and simple language. Ensure that each item has a clear response, yes or no, true or false. Items in the checklist may be continuous or divided into groups of related items. Items should be arranged in categories and the categories in a logical or psychological order. Terms used in the items should be clearly defined. Avoid negative statements whenever possible. Review the items independently. Checklist must be have a quality of completeness and comprehensiveness in nature. While preparing a checklist, avoid negative statement and review each items independently. Ensure that each item has a clear response, whether yes or no, or true or false, done or not done, presence or absence. At the same time, take knowledge of all the experts before preparing a checklist. That's all for today's video. In next video, we will discuss about other important points of checklist. Thank you for watching. Friends, if my video provides you little bit information, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comments. Stay tuned. Have a nice day.